Hi, hello, my smart students. I'm hoping that you are in good health, and I hope that you've learned from our previous video about shape. Today, we will study a little bit deeper about shape. We will try to identify its part. Okay, now are you ready to learn about our lesson for today? Today we will just focusing on two-dimensional shapes, or we say shapes and patterns. After we learn how to identify and to name the parts of the two-dimensional shapes, we will be learning about patterns. So now let's try start now. So again, we will just focus on two-dimensional shapes, or we say 2D shapes. Now, as you can see here, I just put some objects, and here we go. So what are the shapes of the things below? Let's try to recall first let's try to recall the lesson previous video. So here you can see the watch, the TV, and the color red, and there's another one. I hope you still remember these things. Okay, and in two-dimensional shapes, always remember that all two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes have flat faces. Okay, flat faces. Let's say for example a triangle. A triangle has three straight sides. Okay, three straight sides and three vertices. Let's try to identify them. Okay, so I'll put a picture here. This one. What do you call this part? That one that has an arrow. That is called a vertex. Okay, a vertex. So if you can point, there are three, so we call it vertices. Three vertices. Okay, and here we go. Next, on the side, that's called straight side. Okay, straight side. So there are three straight sides, and the last one is called flat face. Okay, flat face. So always remember that all two-dimensional shapes have flat faces. Now let's proceed to another other one. But before that, I want to show you the examples of an object that has triangle in shape. What is this? It's a slice of pizza. As you can see here, a slice of pizza is a triangle in shape. How about this? What is this? It's an umbrella, and the umbrella is triangle in shape. And there's another one. What is this? It is called a party hat. So a party hat is triangle in shape. Okay, so again, a slice of pizza, an umbrella, and a party hat. Now let's proceed. Here we go. Don't forget, okay? Don't forget that all two-dimensional shapes have flat faces. So next one is called quadrilateral. A quadrilateral, there are two. The triangle, the rectangle, and a square. So I will show you the picture of the square. So always remember that a quadrilateral has four straight sides and four vertices. Where can we find the vertices? Oh, this one is straight side. As you can see, the arrow, it's pointing there. It's a straight side. This is called straight side. How about this? That is a flat face of a quadrilateral or a rectangle, or a square, sorry. How about this? That one that has a circle, that is called a vertex. Okay, that's called a vertex. Let's proceed. Okay, that's vertex. Don't forget, because in our test I will include this one. So I will give you another example about the quadrilateral shapes. As you can see, this one, what is this? It's a gift box, and a face of a gift box is a quadrilateral or a square. How about the flat screen, or let's say a TV or a television? The shape of a television or a TV is rectangle. So a rectangle is also a quadrilateral. A square is also a quadrilateral, as long as it has four straight sides and four vertices. That is called a quadrilateral. Okay, quad means four. And there's another one, a book. Face of the book is quadrilateral. So that's it. A gift box, a television, a book. There are more examples of a quadrilateral. Okay, but I just give you three. And it's another one. We have here a circle. A circle is very different from a quadrilateral and a triangle because a circle has a curved side and it doesn't have any vertices. Let's try to identify. So this one is a circle, another circle. As you can see, it has a curved side. So where is the face of a circle? Of course, same, it's flat face. And it doesn't have any vertices, but it has a curved side. So this is a curved side of a circle. That's it. I hope you see it there. And then the next shape. But before that, I'll give you another example again about circle. Example of circle is a clock. Maybe in your house you have a round or a circle in shape. The face of the clock is circle. And there's another one. Yeah, a soccer ball or a football. Okay, the face of this soccer ball is circle in shape. And of course, there's another one. Maybe some of you loves to eat this. A donut. The shape of this donut is circle. Now let's proceed. Two-dimensional or 2D shapes. Don't forget and always remember that all two-dimensional shape has have flat faces. Okay, flat faces, it might be a square, rectangle, a triangle, a circle, an oval. All the two-dimensional shapes have flat faces. So now it's an oval. An oval or an ellipse, it looks like a stretched circle. It's like a circle, and then you just stretch it. So that's look like the oval is. And then again, same with the circle. It has a curved side and doesn't have any vertices, unlike the triangle and a quadrilateral. So as you can see here in the photo, that the oval or an ellipse it has a curved side and it doesn't have any vertices. Now let's try to identify. Okay, this is the flat face of the oval. Oval is easy to pronounce. An ellipse is quite difficult for you. Maybe some of you it's difficult for you to spell the word ellipse. But if you can spell it, much better. That's good. Okay, that's a flat face of an oval. And this one is called a curved side of an oval or an ellipse. Okay, so it's very easy, right? So let's have an example for an ellipse. What is this? Does anyone knows this? Maybe some of you, or every morning you face in here, that is called a mirror. Okay, that's a mirror. And maybe some of you loves to eat this. What is this? It's an egg, right? And how about this? Oh, so yummy. It's called a watermelon, right? Watermelon. Now, in this picture, what shape can you see in here? What shape can you see her? Can you see any shape in here? Yes? A roof? What is the shape of the roof of this in the playground? It's triangle. So the roof is triangle in shape. Very good job. Now, let's have a short review in two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes. What shape is this? What shape is this? It's a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. How about this? What shape is this? It's a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. It's easy to spell the word if you spell it by syllables. Okay, like circle. So two syllable. Sir, C-I-R, and then C-L-E. Circle, right? How about this? Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. How about this? oval, or they say an ellipse. Oval is easy to to spell out. OVAL. Finish. An ellipse. If you can spell an ellipse, it's better because some countries are using the word ellipse instead of oval. Okay, and this is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. 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 My beloved students, square and rectangle belongs to a quadrilateral. Okay, don't forget, belongs to quadrilateral. Square and rectangle, quadrilateral. Okay, don't forget. Okay, now you have something to do in here. You can take a photo or a video how you did this one, but before that you must need, or you must have, a scissors, a color paper, and a glue. So what you need to do, first draw the 2D shapes, because you know already the 2D shapes, the triangle, square, and circle, and oval, and ellipse. Then after you cut that one, number 2, because it's number 2, you cut the 2D shapes, whatever 2D shapes you would like to use. Let's say for example, you can arrange and paste the shapes to form the objects you can see around you. Let's say for example, you can see a triangle shape. What shape can you see? Like a roof, right? So a roof and a quadrilateral. Maybe a quadrilateral that you want to use is a square. So triangle and square can form a house. Okay, triangle like this, and then a square for a basement of a house. So that's it. So triangle for a roof and a quadrilateral for the wall of the house. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. So you can take a picture that you think that you do, and or a video, and then after that you will answer this one. Your mom and dad will pin it out. So in number 1, which shapes are triangles? So it's more than one, that's only one. There are 2 triangles in number 1. Okay. Number 2, which shapes are quadrilaterals? I told you already that quadrilaterals, there are 2. As long as it has 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. That's quadrilaterals. What you're going to do, you encircle. The same in number 1. Encircle the triangles. Number 2, encircle the quadrilaterals. Just use your pencil. And then number 3, there are 2 things that you need to do here. Which shapes are circles? You have to encircle the circles. Encircle the circles. And which shapes are ovals? What you're going to do for the oval, you will cross out. Okay, cross them out, the oval. For circle, encircle. For the ovals, cross them out. Okay, I hope you get it. Thank you, my beloved students, or my smart students. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I try my best for you to understand a lesson about shapes. I know it's very basic for you, and I know everybody understand this video. For next meeting after this one, the next video I will make a video about patterns. We will make patterns by using shapes like square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, like that, or more than 2. We can use a square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, like that. Or we can use by shapes, we can use by size, we can use by color. It depends. Okay, so I will discuss that one next meeting. I hope you will watch this video. Thank you, and may you enjoy and have a good health. So here is my thank you dance. Thank you, my beloved students. Hope you're well. Don't forget to do your part. Do your homework. Goodbye.